A strong windstorm has killed over 3,600 birds at a poultry farm in Barkinladi Council area of Plateau State. The windstorm also destroyed several chicken pens, part of the facility fence, electric poles, and other structures. Our correspondent in Plateau State tells us more.
A sad experience and a bad day for the Dauda Mafala and his poultry farm. 3,600 birds from the poultry farm, mostly layers, were killed following a strong windstorm experienced in Barkinladi on Saturday, August 19.
The whole of this street here,
all down,
yeah, they're all...
So all the chickens are...
The windstorm destroyed 6 other chicken sheds, part of the poultry fence, electric poles, and other structures in the facility. An automated cage estimated to cost about $80,000 was also destroyed. The efforts put in following the search and rescue mission have helped in recovering the mentioned figure of dead birds, and it is believed that the number may increase by the time the work is done.
It's a sudden windstorm that destroyed the chicken shed behind me here, which is a 10,800 capacity chicken house. Yeah, currently we have lost about 3,600, and we are expecting that the casualty will still rise as a result of the building collapse on the chickens.
It will affect us tremendously by losing our job, losing our income, losing everything that will benefit us.
The leadership of the Poultry Association in the state is appealing to the state government to come to the aid of the farm proprietor.
Our major call is that government should look with immediate, with urgency, the plight of poultry farmers, especially on the plateau. Most of us depend on that for our daily living.
The total damage recorded in the aftermath of the windstorm is worth over 250 million naira. From Joshua, TVC News, Barkinladi.